Hey guys, this is Michael with Quiet Lawn. I wanted to tell you about a new ongoing service that we're about to start offering, and that would be bed maintenance. Basically what it is we're going to be spot spraying your beds for weeds every couple weeks. We've tried to offer this service by request in the past. People ask us to spray their beds and we do that. But we're just noticing that it's not enough and we need some more ongoing, more of a regular schedule. So basically how the program works is it's going to be based on the size of your beds, and we're going to spot spray your beds every 2 weeks while we're mowing. This is an add-on service just for our mowing customers. But like I said, when we're there every 2 weeks, we're going to spot spray your beds. Any weeds that pop up, we're going to hit them. So you're just going to get, your beds are going to be very clean throughout the season. Obviously you're still going to get some weeds, but it's just a constant battle to fight weeds. But basically how it works is we're going to mow your grass just like normal. When we get done, we're going to go around with our little sprayer, and we're just going to spray these unsightly weeds. So this property we've treated a couple times, but it's maybe every few months, and that's just not enough. So once we get this on this program, you won't see any of these weeds. We're going to be spraying them every 2 weeks. As far as the cost, it's very affordable for your average, people with an average amount of beds. It goes by square footage. You're looking at about $8 to $12 every 2 weeks for this service. Some requirements that you have to be able to get this service are that you need a good layer of mulch. So you need to have, your beds need to either have stone or wood mulch or pine straw, something that's a nice thick layer. If you haven't done mulch in several years and it's down to bare dirt, this service isn't available. Also, you need some nice edging, whether it's something we maintain or it's a concrete edge, something like that to keep the grass from going into the beds. Also, this bed is fine. It's not too crowded. We can easily spray around all these flowers and plants. But if your beds are just full where you can't even hardly see in them, they've got so many flowers and plants, those areas we won't be able to spray just because there's the risk of, accidentally spraying some of your plants or flowers. But if your beds are nice and opened up, not too much going on, we can easily, treat all your weeds and keep those up for you. There are some types of weeds that require additional treatment that regular weed killer, including Roundup, won't kill. Those weeds would include things like nutsedge and some other things, and I can include some pictures just so you know what that looks like. But they require special chemicals that are made just for those weeds to be able to get rid of them. We can get rid of them, but it is an additional charge until we get rid of those weeds for you. But if this is something you're interested in, we'd be happy to get you a price. Like I said, I know it's frustrating, and nobody wants to have to pull weeds and keep the weeds out of the beds. But we're happy to be able to offer this service to keep your beds looking as good as we keep your lawn looking. Thanks, and we look forward to hearing from you.